It'll kill
Best gun they said to take for them, actually.
At 20 yards, 40 yards.
Slower, big powered one.
I can't see you putting one of them through a 400-pound bear through both sides of it. You'll drive it in and nail up the lung.
They got the first bear up there, 740 pounds, 22-inch skull.
Hey Bob, give me a video. Oh, you gotta put your two jigging rods across the top of that. Bob just trying to do it.
Well, the jigging rod will slide in.
What about these, Johnny? We want to put some fishing poles on top of that stuff then? All the fishing poles?
These?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can wiggle them right up.
Let Bob get up there and inspect it.
That's all we got right here?
Yeah. And you want as much weight as you can forward.
Right.
And you want to put them lengthways? Yeah. I'll put them across with the gun stock. Lay them right across. Yeah. Roll these to reel the other way. As I say, your two short rods you can go across there. Holy Christ, how many fish you Now you got as many of them as you do guns. You know we got small guns, we got big rods. Now your small fishing rods will fit across this thing. I'm almost getting it. Crossways? Try one. Oh man, I don't know. No.
I'll put them in and last up on top.
All right.
There's no reason for me to even be here.
Pull high with the soft stuff right up there.
May 21st, 1999, about 7 in the morning. Ready to go to Saskatchewan bear hunting and fishing.
That's my pillow. My sleeping bag.
You want it for the ride up?
You want to be able to see out that back window, Todd?
No, the girls in
Okay, we're going to shut her off now so you can go back to work.
This is Montana.
No, Montana.
Not Montana, this is Saskatchewan. May what? 21st?
I already done that.
Todd didn't take no long pants. It's just because it's going to be warm up there.
Actually,
good thing I camp. Got all the comforts of home. Boss man on the job.